Welcome to the Neposmart video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you will have Neposmart connected to your Wi-Fi and can view its video on your phone. Let's get started. Let's take a look at what you'll find in the box. This is your Neposmart unit with your Wi-Fi antenna, an Ethernet cable to plug into your router, the AC adapter which plugs into an outlet, the mounting bracket and its screws, and finally the magnetic switch which is connected to the bell wire. But for this video, we will only be using the Neposmart unit, the Wi-Fi antenna, the Ethernet cable, and the AC adapter. First, let's connect power to the Neposmart unit. Take your AC adapter, then plug the cylindrical end of the AC adapter into the power port. Then take the other end and plug to a nearby outlet. Then simply wait for the Neposmart unit to initialize. This will take about a minute or so. And for time's sake, we'll just fast forward through this. Now we're going to make Neposmart visible to your Wi-Fi. Take the Wi-Fi antenna and screw it into the Wi-Fi antenna port. Now take the Ethernet cable and plug one end to the Ethernet port, and the other end will go into your router. Your router may be a little different, but in this example, we can plug the Ethernet cable into any of these 4 ports as shown. Neposmart also supports Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. WPS allows you to make connections between your router and your Neposmart camera without the need of an Ethernet cable. Please refer to the user manual for more information. Now you're connected to the network, so let's move on to the app. First, download Neposmart from the Play Store, and let's open the app. You'll be greeted with an option for a quick tutorial. This video will cover what's being said in the tutorial, so we'll click later for now. Here's the main screen. We're going to click Add Device. Then, about halfway down the page, we'll click Search Devices. The app will search all the cameras connected to the network, and there's ours, so we're going to tap on that. For clarity, I'm going to rename this camera Garage 1. Now, in order to have administrative access to your camera, you'll need to input the password, which is by default 123456. Then click Add. Now we can view the video. So let's tap on our camera. And there we go. The text at the bottom tells you to change your password, but don't worry, we'll get to that in a future video. A cool thing about this app is that you can set positions to which the camera pans and tilts. I'll demonstrate by first tapping on the bottom right icon. Say I want these computer screens to be position 1. So I'm going to tap on Set Position and then click 1. Now let's swipe the screen to set a different position. Let's say I want to showcase that window. Okay, that's fine. I'll tap on the bottom right icon again and set this new position at position 2. Now if I bring up the bottom right icon again, and if I click Go Position then 1, the camera will automatically go back to position 1 that I set initially. It's a neat little feature to save some time and finger strength. Anyway, while we are connected, we aren't connected wirelessly yet, so we have to go do that. Let's go back to the main screen, and then we'll click on the blue icon. This is the Edit Device screen. On the bottom, we're going to click Device Settings. And on the Device Settings screen, we're going to click on Wi-Fi Network at the top. Now click on the Wi-Fi search button, and it'll take a moment, but once it finds a camera, the app will discover your Wi-Fi network. In our case, it's Sydney. Now click on your Wi-Fi network and input your Wi-Fi's password. Then click Done at the top right. Your app should be now connected to your Neposmart without the need for an Ethernet cable. And you can now view your video using your Android anywhere, anytime, without the need for port forwarding. Congratulations on completing the first part of the installation process.